كما كتشوفوا فهذه اول حصه ليا في البحر من بعد التمارين اللي كنقوم بها في المنزل ولا في الشارع. هذه كتعتبر اول حصه كنديرها في البحر مع الاخوان الوليدات اللي باغيين يخدموا. هذه كما كتشوفوا انا البحر حصه داس مزيانه. حاول درنا فيها تقريبا شي ما بين الخدمه وما بين الفوتينغ تقريبا درنا فيها شي 50 دقيقه.
How we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here? Not good alone. I'll be okay with you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on me. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
ما تمشاش رابيد امين زيد. فوالا ديما لابوي. فوالا زيد يا فوالا زيد يا زيد كمان. فوالا هز
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe.